I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to address an issue that a lot of beginner guitar players have and explain why that they have this problem and how they can expedite making it not a problem anymore. And that issue is a lot of beginner guitar players, their fingers hurt when they're learning. And there are lots of explanations for this. And there are a few ways to make that pain go away faster. So to begin with, playing guitar and fretting a string on the neck is you're basically taking a metal wire, putting it on the end of your finger and pressing down on it. So that's a sort of an unnatural thing to do with your fingers. So to begin with, if you don't have calluses on your finger, which most people don't before they play guitar, that's why it hurts. But that pain will go away when you develop calluses on your fingertips. Another explanation why a lot of beginner guitar players have problems with their fingertips hurting is because when you're starting out, you don't have the most expensive guitar. It's a little harder to play. You have to press down harder. That makes it worse, especially if you're starting out on a basic acoustic guitar. Acoustic guitars typically use larger strings. That's how they get their big sound out of an acoustic guitar. They use these large bronze type strings and they have lots of resonance to them. And if you're in this situation, one thing you can do is you can buy a lighter set of strings or even electric guitar strings and put them on your acoustic. And it's not going to sound like a concert guitar with those strings on it. But when you're learning, your sound is not your biggest issue. It's learning how to play things. So you can do that. You can put lighter strings. That'll make it play better. And another thing to do is when you're starting out, a lot of beginners are going to be learning beginner chords. And when you're starting out and you're doing that, you're going to find yourself with your fingers in the same position for a long time, trying to get a chord to sound right. If you take a break between these chords at times and do something else, and you take the pressure off of your fingers, your finger pain should typically go away. And another thing that probably a lot of beginner players would do is they press down too hard on their strings. So depending upon your guitar, you might not have to press down as hard as you think. This guitar has got a very light action on it. But if I press down too hard on this string, it'll actually make that note too high. So something to do is to figure out just how hard you have to press. You might be pressing down too hard and you don't really even have to do that. That'll definitely take some pain out of your fingertips. Another way to develop your fingertip calluses is to, some people tell me, I didn't get to practice this week, so I played for 4 hours on Saturday. It's better to probably practice 15 minutes a day than a bunch of hours one day a week. It's for sure going to give you better calluses on your fingers. Half an hour is better. An hour is even better than that. But when you're starting out, if your fingers hurt, quit playing. Come back the next day and play another 15 or 20 minutes. That'll develop your calluses. Another way to expedite getting calluses on your fingertips is to, when you're done practicing, take your fingers, put them on your wound strings. These are the rough ones. Do a little bit of this. Rub them back and forth. That'll develop the calluses on your fingertips. That's where most of the pain is coming from. And another issue with people's fingers is, especially older players like myself, is I get to where I need to stretch my fingers out a little bit. One of the best things I ever learned about practicing is taking off my wristwatch. I used to get pain in the back of my hand and my wrist when I played. When I took off my wristwatch and started doing this, squeeze my wrist, move my hand, stretch out my fingers, then those issues went away. And if your actual finger hurts, roll your fingers between your fingertips like this. If you're learning basic chords, and your hand starts getting stiff and cramping up, and your fingertips hurt, take a break, stretch out. Bend your wrist, stretch out your wrist and your fingertips. One of the things that some people who have wrist problems do is they tend to press on the back of the neck with their thumb a little too hard too. So you might be doing that and you're not even thinking about it. So think about that a little bit. Are you pressing too hard on the neck with your thumb? Try not using your thumb. That could help. Probably one of my best tips for beginner guitar players is when they're not practicing, they don't have a guitar with them, and they don't want their fingertips to get soft, is to take an old credit card. I actually have a couple of casino cards here that I've taped together. And you can put it in your hand and you can do this. And press. You can do this while you're flying on an airplane or riding on a train. This will keep your fingertips. It's not as good as playing guitar, but it definitely will keep you from losing your calluses once you've gotten them. Because there's nothing worse than losing them after you've gotten them, if you've worked so hard to get calluses on your fingertips. So those are my tips for your fingertips. I hope this helps you out. Just remember, take your time. I think practicing 15 minutes a day is way, way better than practicing a bunch of hours one day a week. I don't think you'll ever get calluses if you just do it 1 or 2 days a week. A little bit every day is a much better program for that, all right? So thank you and have a great day.